Today we have a factory tour and see what's inside the workshop. Let's go.
Homesmart covers 10,000 square meters and about 100 workers. The worker just add gray color master bench to mix well. Coming to see our first vulcanization department. Workers need to confirm the weight of each product. Then put it into the tooling mold. This is the product which finished first vulcanization. Take this out and cut the flash. Finished products will be inspected by our QC team, then into the package line. That is our plastic injection production line. The raw material goes through the tube into every machine. The mechanical arm takes out the injection finished products. Workers will pack it into polybag, prevent scratching. They will check the products come out from the machine at once. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's stainless steel measuring spoon. So how is it from raw material to the final products? So we will check the production line. That is cutting the material. That's shaping the cutting part. He's cutting the extra material. And the worker is polishing the measuring spoons. He's wiping and cleaning. He's assembling the handle and the magnet. Workers will check every set of the measuring spoons and package it in polybag. Our QC team will take the sample from goods to test it in our testing lab. This is water polishing of the tooling mold.
The raw material. So we have marked with different letters and numbers. So this is very from Homesmart and this is my factory tour. So if you have any questions,